Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to do a very requested video by a lot of you. That is, a lot of you requested me to do a college makeup routine. Now since colleges have opened up very recently, so I'm sure you all must be wondering as to how much makeup is the appropriate amount of makeup to be done for college days. And since it's summers, monsoon, you don't want it to be sweaty and over the top. So I'm going to tell you a very simple and doable makeup tutorial that you can do on a very regular daily basis for college. So without any further ado, let's just dive into it. So I've already done my skincare routine, I've done my CTM, and I've done my brows because brows is something that takes the maximum time, so I thought I should do that in advance. So I am going to start off with my base. So what I'm going to do is, because I have a little bit of dark circles, and since during colleges, when it's college time, people, you know, they study late, they do projects and a lot of other things, so which is why it's very important to do something with the under eye circles that you have. So I'm going to use this orange corrector, just slightly dabbing a little bit under my eye area so that the darkness is all neutralized. Then I'm going to be using my base. Now this is a waterproof and a summer friendly foundation. It's a stick foundation by Kryolan. And as you can see, I haven't really dotted too much of it, just a little bit, and I'm going to blend it all using my kabuki brush. Next, I'm going back to the color correcting palette. I'm taking this skin shade, which I think is perfect for my under eyes when it comes to concealing. So just taking a little bit. I'm using my ring finger because I feel that's the quickest and it blends in really well. And during college, it's not very necessary to have a complete makeup brush kit, so which is why your fingers are your best friend when it comes to blending makeup. So yeah. Okay, once that is done, I'm going to set my base using the compact, because of course you need to set the makeup, otherwise it'll not be long lasting, and once you sweat it will all melt down. So yeah. Next, I am just going to very slightly bronze my skin. Moving on, I'm going to be using this Colorbar eyeshadow stick. I think these work really good for everyday purpose when it's something that you want really quickly, and it gives a beautiful tint of color on the eyes. And for days when you want a little bit of heaviness when it comes to your eyes, I'm just gonna use the same variant of eyeshadow stick, but the earlier shade was bronzy brownish. This is a little purplish, so you know, you can just top up your eyelids with this dark shade and then just blend. And trust me, it isn't too much for everyday basis. It's fine, you can do this much. So that's it. I am just going to finish my eyes with a waterproof mascara so that it stays all day. Even if you cry when you fail your tests. Just kidding. And that's it. I'm just going to finish my look with a nudish brown lip crayon. And just using the same shade for my cheeks. And that's it. So this is the college routine that you can do on an everyday basis. It doesn't take too much time. So right now, because I was elaborating and talking about each and every step, so that's why it took me a little bit of time. Otherwise, trust me, it won't take you more than 5 minutes and you're good to go for the entire day. So just follow this college makeup routine. It's very simple, doable, and you don't need too many products for this. Try this and let me know if you tried this makeup routine in the comments section below. Like, share and subscribe, and also hit the bell button in order to stay notified about my videos. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned, guys. Bye.